What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, guys, man. It's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but today I went ahead and installed a splitter with struts on it. So I will be doing the side skirt and stuff like that. I know somebody told me in the comments, they said to stop saying what I'm gonna do and just do it. Now this is my thing. Okay. If I don't acknowledge what I'm gonna do, how would you know? That's what I want some people to understand. Like, how would you know? Like, of course, I'm gonna do it, but if you're watching the video, you can be like, oh damn, I might be interested in seeing what that looks like. Because now what if I don't mention it at all? You click off the channel, maybe you forgot to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? That's why I mention those things, so you don't miss it. Okay? So you don't miss it. You know, it's good to say what you're gonna do next, so that way the person who's watching, you stay tuned. But I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and let you guys see how this strut looks. So this is how it looks. Okay. I'll take a step back a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see it. It gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look to the car. Now the only thing I didn't like about this one is that it came into 4 pieces. Okay, and this piece right here, all right, this piece right here, underneath it, you gotta put 2 screws. So I had to find some screws because it didn't come with it. What else? That's pretty much about it. That's like the only thing that I didn't like, was that the fact it came with every other screw but the 2 screws that actually holds that centerpiece in, because it's 4 pieces. So if you guys can see right here, this is 1, 2, and you see that little split right there, that's 4 pieces. Okay, I'll give you guys a little walkthrough, you know, how the car looks. You know, you guys probably see the tail lights. I gotta post that video, so you're probably gonna see that video first, and then you're gonna see this video, maybe. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've done to this car so far. That's about it. The car right now is dirty because it was raining in Arizona. So if anybody knows that when it rains in Arizona, it makes your car look like shit. So I did it like did a little quick wash, because it kept raining a lot, and I don't want to detail my car and it rains again, because it was just dirty. It was really just dirty. The next thing I'm gonna do is putting a spoiler on the back. I'm not sure exactly what spoiler to go with. I'm not gonna just throw anything on this car. It has to look good. It has to look good. I'm not gonna be that person who just throws things on their car because it's cheap. Like, the quality has to be good. It has to look good, and it has to fit the car. I kind of have an idea what kind of spoiler I'm gonna go with, so you guys just gonna have to stay tuned for that. What else? If you have been watching my previous videos, I did say I was gonna install underglow, ring lights, and the G Series turbo. So that's pretty much what I've done so far. And I'm probably more likely going to upgrade these center caps to red, just to give it a little pop. Just to be honest with you, I was thinking about going with rims, but I'm just like, to be honest with you, man, these rims are not even that bad. I'm over rims. You know what I'm saying? Like, just keep putting rims on cars, because really it's just stupid when these rims right here look perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? I can get these rims painted. So what I was really thinking was getting these rims painted like white to kind of like match the car a little bit. So it's not gonna be like a black and white. I can do that. You know what I'm saying? Instead of buying like rims, you know what I'm saying, like buying like $2,000 in rims, like, to me it's just stupid. You know, it's stupid. You know, I'm too old for that. You know, I'm not too old for it, but I don't see nothing wrong with these rims. I've seen some rims, but I really don't see nothing wrong with these rims. You know, so that's my goal. That's my plan. You know. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. I hope you guys did like this video. Just giving you guys a little update on what I've done to the car so far. I got more and more upgrades that's coming. More and more upgrades. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking about maybe like in the future, I was going to get this hood cut out and get it like plexiglass. Okay? Because that's what I was gonna do once I install like the turbo and stuff like that. I'm gonna do that. Maybe. Not quite sure if that's exactly what I'm gonna do, but or I might just leave it like that. Because I was gonna make it a sleeper. You know, make it look decent. But I'm not a person, I don't like to do too much. I've been seeing a lot of people with Hondas, and it's just like they be doing too much. So I'm not really trying to go for that. Okay? But like I said, man, I hope you guys did like this video. I want to go ahead and share that update with you guys. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one, man. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like the video, man. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to the channel. Okay, you guys? I'm going to see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace.